Hey guys, Matt here, Complete Prospecting. Just in this same little patch, found a few nuggets. So just found nugget just here. I just got another signal. So thought we'd dig it up and see what it is. Again, first things first, just clear the rocks off. It's still there, I think, obviously. So let's take a bit of the topsoil off, go down about an inch, where I like to start, an inch or two, whatever. Still in there. Take a bit more out. Out of the hole, grab our scoop. And there it is there. Lovely piece of WA gold. So that's it there, so probably down, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches. Decent sized piece there, looks like it's got a little bit of dirt or ironstone on it. So yeah, that's it there. A couple of grammer, loving it. It's great to be out here. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.